You can see her, look, she's ready to jump. Hash, scared her. Go. She's running away from her because she keeps trying to attack her. What are you staring at? I can zoom. I'm sorry. Too bad. Now we got baby in this corner, running away. We'll try to get her on footage. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. Yeah, we got Jasmine up here. We say she's gonna kill me. I'm scared of her. Run while you have the chance. Run while you have the chance. Before that fella comes at you. She knows she's gonna attack her. That's why she runs. Look at him. See from here. Oh crap! Don't get that close to the camera. Jeez, if you're gonna sneeze on it. Now she's running away, and there she is. Like, you made her run. I was about to attack her and throw her in the pool. I'm going in the pool tomorrow, actually.